Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody has a safe and prosperous New Year. So I thought I'd show you how to do a page curl. I've done plenty of videos on it. Make you a rectangle and make it a green. Take away the outline. Control D and make a duplicate and make it red. But then you've got to go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap. And as long as you're using RGB, it's going to stay the same color. It is still selected, so we're going to go to Effects and 3D Effect and Page Curl. Now, it curled that one, but we're going to change it down here. And then we can change the width, and you can also type in numbers instead of moving the slide bar. And you can make it anything you want. And you could change the curl color, but that looks pretty good. And then just type out 2026 and make it about the size you want. Go ahead and make it bold and put it in this spot. And then just hit the plus key on the keyboard, put it in that spot. And because it's the last thing you made, it's going to be on top. And then just go up here to your text editor and hit the backspace and make it 25 and say, okay. Anyway, Happy New Year, everybody. And thank you for watching.